Welcome guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard laptop motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this is all specifications and configurations and details also. Then click to product. Then click on the title. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required driver. So you can install and watch this video to install the driver. And both are also there, is Windows 10 and 11 like that. Chipset, AMD chipset driver. You can see this size 63 MB and try to install always latest driver and click to download. So guys, it is done. Just open it and you can see this is extracted driver. So you have to double click and then you require administrator rights. Click on yes. Now you can see this is installing. Click and done.